Hi folks, Modelling Mark here again. Just a very short video today. Quick warning about Evapo-Rust. I know a lot of us use it for getting rust off rusty parts, and I had this flywheel which had been sitting around for a long time and had gone rusty. It had already been machined, but as I say, it had gone rusty. So I put it in a bowl of Evapo-Rust. Now the bowl wasn't quite deep enough to submerge the whole flywheel, so it got submerged on a side, half in, half out, and I thought that'd be fine. I'll leave it there. Now half a day later, turn it over so it gets both sides done, job's a good one. Well, not so. Don't know if you can see there is a line which is actually like an etched line, which is the level where the liquid was, and that etched line is, I'm guessing, around 5 thou deep, maybe a little bit deeper. It's too deep to sand out. We've also got the etched line there. You can see I tried to sand it out, but it's too deep to sand out. So just a quick warning there, if you're going to use Evapo-Rust, make sure your part is fully submerged. Now I know Joe Pye did a video a little while ago about another warning on Evapo-Rust, which was something along the lines of, if you got something with a high carbon content, it can draw the carbon out and turn the surface black. So if you're using Evapo-Rust, that's also worth a watch. I'll put a link in the description. But anyway, for the Evapo-Rust users, I hope you find that useful. Now the only way I'm going to get this out is to remachine the flywheel, which is a bit of a pain. But I think I'm going to have to, because I don't think I can live with that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.